I'm going to show you how you can launch your own digital online business in 1 to 2 days and start having $900 days online. Of course, quick disclaimer, this is not a get rich quick scheme. You actually got to put in effort, just like I've put in effort, right? And I've made multiple 5 figures with this business so far. Okay. So you got to put in effort too, right? And all you need is Wi-Fi, your phone, and just 2 hours a day and social media. You already have everything that you need, but you're just missing one thing, and that's our blueprint, okay? So just go to sevenfiguremonk.com, check it out. There's a link in the bio. You can grab the blueprint, right? Watch the videos, check out the information, and if you like it, just get started. If you have questions, reply to my emails. So if you're new here, my name is Dan. I'm from Michigan. I used to be a monk, and now I just help people make money online in the digital marketing space. I'm actually on a mission. I want to help 1,000 people become self-made millionaires online without having to work a job. So I discovered this business in a box, this all-in-one business, okay, back in 2024. Yeah, 2024, like, because I was working for this company for like 5 years. They cut our pay, and I just decided that I needed to figure out a better way to make money because the whole job thing, working a job to make money wasn't really working out for me. So that's when I discovered this business, and I launched it in 2024, and I made a multiple 5 figures since then. And yeah, that's what I'm sharing with you today. Okay. So basically what this is a business that you don't have to create yourself. Like, everything's already created for you. We give you 4 different digital programs. These are programs in the e-learning industry, and you can learn from these programs and then resell them. They're educational programs. It's like $1 billion a day industry. So when you think of educational programs, or just e-learning in general, you can think of programs, courses, ebooks, education, information. Why is it $1 billion a day industry? Because people like to learn, okay? And it's projected to be like a $2 to $3 billion a day industry by 2030. So inside of these programs, you get to learn from them and then resell them, and you earn 100% profit per sale, okay? You're gonna learn everything about digital marketing and how to become an online entrepreneur, okay? Things like that, right? So yeah, let me just share my screen with you. I'm going to show you exactly how this business works. Let me know if you have any questions, but basically this is what you got to do. You just get started. Okay. You purchase one of the programs, you're going to have resale rights to the programs. And then once you purchase your program, you set up your business, because we're going to give you a sales funnel, website, and everything. I'm going to show you what that looks like. You set it up, and then you're just following a 2-hour workday. So basically all you have to do is post content on social media, go live, or you can copy and paste free ads on high traffic websites. This is called attraction marketing. So you don't have to pay for advertising. You don't have to bother your friends and family. You don't have to cold message people. You're posting content, you're going live, you're posting ads, you're attracting people, you're building your email list. And once they're inside of your automations, they can buy from you at any time, okay? So now I'm going to show you what it looks like. I'm going to share my screen and just show you how everything looks, what this business looks like. So when you get started, we give you this sales funnel, right? This is what pretty much all the top earners in the online space, they use sales funnels, okay? Or they send people right to their website. But it's better to have a sales funnel, because that way you can collect leads, okay? You can collect potential customers. But if you don't have a sales funnel, you're just going to be sending people to your website, and you're not going to be able to collect any leads, and you're not going to be able to follow up with your leads automatically. So how does the sales funnel work, right? Well, we give you this sales funnel. It's going to look something like this. So what happens is people go to your link, okay? They're going to go here. This is called a capture page. So you're capturing emails. They're going to put their email in. So they're part of your automations. As soon as they put their email in, they're going to get emails from you every day. We give you 30 emails to begin with, which is more than enough, because the fortune's in the follow-up, and people usually buy after like 7 to 10 exposures. So after like 7 to 10 emails, either they're going to buy your stuff or they're not going to buy your stuff. But then we teach you how to promote multiple offers inside of your email list as well. So if they don't buy your primary offer, they could buy your affiliate offers. Okay. So that's how email marketing works, right? So they put their email in, then they're going to go through your sales funnel. They're going to watch the videos. You're going to have videos, something like this. Okay. These videos are going to be like doing the selling for you. And then there's like testimonies here as well. So like $1,800 a day. See, our top selling product sells for $900. So she just got 2 sales in one day. So she had an $1,800 a day. I've had $1,800 days too. And I've had many $900 days. So this person had 10,000, she made 10,000 in March. Okay. Which is about 12 sales at 900. And soon we're launching a $1,400 product. And if you get in before we launch that, then you get a discount with that. Okay, so $1,500 a day for her, Deborah, $1,300 a day for Marcia, $2,000 a day for Amy, $5,000 in 8 days for Joseph. Okay, those are testimonials. People like to see proof. I also saw that proof, and that's why I joined this business. Because I was scrolling on social media one day and I saw these in the stories. People were promoting these wins, and that inspired me to ask for information. Okay. So one video is here, and then we sent out another video in people's emails. So they're watching these two videos, and these videos are going to answer like 99% of the questions for you. And then whatever 1% of questions they have left, they'll just reply to your emails if they want to ask you another question. So you don't have to call people, you don't have to DM people, right? No paid ads. You don't have to do any of that. You can, but you don't have to. Okay. So ultimately, the sales funnel is taking people here to your sales page, to your website, and then you want them to go here and you want them to check out and purchase one of the programs. And as soon as they purchase one of the programs, okay, you're going to get paid directly to you through like PayPal, Square, Stripe, whatever payment gateway or gateways that you want to use. And we show you how to set up this whole system. Okay. So here's what the website looks like more or less, right? Unlock 100% profit, earn 300 to 900 a day with a proven 2-hour workday. So these are what we're selling right here. We're selling these digital products. Okay. We got the launch pad, you got the passive daily pay, you got the digital mastery and the legacy builders. So 100, 300, 600, and 900. You resell these programs over and over again. And it's digital, so you don't have to worry about shipping. You don't have to worry about inventory. You just got to send people to your website, and then they're going to purchase. Either they say yes or they say no, right? That's how business is. Okay, so how would an extra 300 and 900 per day change your life? Now imagine if you learned the skills to earn 900 a day to attract one customer a day. That's $27,000 a month and $328,000 a year, which means in 3 years or less, you can be a millionaire. In fact, somebody in our community, she made $1 million in 17 months by reselling digital products just like this. Okay. So we have 50,000 members in our community. We teach you how to make 50,000 members in our community. We've done $29 million in sales in 10 months. We launched these programs back in April 2024. And since then, we did $29 million in 10 months. So we're past that number by now. But in 10 months, we did $29 million in sales. And we teach you how to get your first sale in 7 days. Let's say you decide to purchase one of the programs, right? You purchase a program, you sell one program, you get your investment back. And then everything after that is pure profit. Okay. And then we have a certification training. So when you're brand new, you go through this certification training, you become a licensed reseller of these programs, and you get to keep 100% of the profits, right? And then there's testimonies here. I'm just showing you what the website looks like, just so you can have a general sense. But you can also go to sevenfiguremonk.com and you can check it out for yourself. So in this section here, all you got to do is put your pictures in, because this is going to be your bio. Like you're building your brand. Like my brand is 7-Figure Monk. So this website builds my brand. Okay. So imagine if you could earn 900 a day in passive income with just 2 hours of work from anywhere with just a phone and Wi-Fi, have freedom to travel, spend time with family, and live life. Build a profitable brand that attracts paying clients automatically, escape burnout, and finally earn money the right way. Take control of your financial future without relying on a 9-to-5 job. Okay. So then you put your little bio in here. ChatGPT can help you create a bio too. And here's the programs. So if you want to get started with this business, you purchase one of these, 100, 300, 600, or 900, and then you pay $39 for your website. And then you're going to have full access to everything. Okay. There's also payment plans for you or your customers, just so you understand how this works. Also payment plans. So this is super affordable to get started with. One-time investment, super affordable, cheaper than your phone, cheaper than your TV in your house, probably. Okay. So yeah, website. I put some of my pictures here. You can change the website however you want. You can add your own pictures. You can do whatever you want. If you want to do faceless, you don't even have to have your pictures. You can do faceless too. So it's up to you. Okay, why is this perfect for you? You want to make extra income from home, but you don't know where to start. Your 9-to-5 job doesn't provide financial security. You want to work from anywhere. You're tired of trading time for money. You want a proven system that works. Retirement is around the corner and you need a reliable income stream. You're ready to create financial peace without relying on a boss or a paycheck. You want more time for travel, hobbies, and the people you care about. You're looking for a flexible, beginner-friendly business you can grow at your own pace. You've tried other opportunities but struggled to see real results. You want a step-by-step system that takes the guesswork out of building an online business. You're ready to live life on your terms and finally have the freedom you deserve. Okay. Why does this process work? This is the process of reselling other people's products, just like Apple phones. So many businesses on the planet, they resell Apple phones because they're high demand products that people want to buy. Okay. So many businesses sell Apple phones and they make thousands and millions of dollars, even billions of dollars doing that. So this process of reselling other people's products, it's not a new process. It's been around forever and it will continue to be around. Just like Amazon, they sell all kinds of products, other people's products. Supermarkets, they sell other people's products. Department stores, they sell other people's products. It's this normal business. Okay. So why is this master resale rights better than other business models? Because we earn 100% profit. You don't have to create a thing. No shipping, no inventory. Proven to sell products. If you're doing affiliate marketing, tiny commissions. Drop shipping, tiny commissions. You got to deal with a lot of stuff, a lot of hassle. Okay. Like if you're doing like your own offline business, it's very expensive. If you want to create an offline business, it's going to probably cost you like $50,000 or more. Network marketing, you don't own the business. Small commissions, you have to build teams. Okay. See, most businesses only earn 10 to 30% profit per sale. We earn 100% profit. We have 0 monthly fees, low investment. Okay. Most businesses, they have high investment, monthly fees, and they earn small profits, right? That's why this is better than any other business model. If you look at it objectively, it's better than any other business model out there. Yeah, so here's the website, and then you get these bonuses. You get access to our community for free where you get live mentoring from 6 and 7 figure incrementers. You get daily millionaire mentoring, like a 2 to 7 minute training every single day to help you build your business. Okay. You get to learn how to create your own community, how to use Canva to create content. You get my first million in 17 months blueprint from my friend and mentor, Michelle. You get a 30-day market strategy PDF growth plan. You get your invisible empire, faceless marketing. You get 200 digital product ideas. Okay. All that stuff. Those are the bonuses. Okay. Thousands of dollars of bonuses that you get for free. Okay. As a bonus. Right. So let's say you decide to make it like, see, you're probably at a stage in your life where you're realizing that you're overworked and you're underpaid. You have a lack of time and you have a lack of money. So now you're going to consider your options. Maybe you'll go back to school. Maybe you'll get another job. Maybe you'll try to side hustle. Maybe you'll do like affiliate marketing or drop shipping. So you're considering your options, but you got to make a decision, right? So then maybe you're ready to start this business and you make a decision and you decide to purchase one of these programs. You decide to launch your business. Okay. So once you purchase one of these programs, it's going to take you here. Okay. This is where your products are, right? This is where your certification training is. Here's your certification training that you go through. This training, it'll take you about 2 hours to go through this training. And it's going to teach you everything, like what is digital marketing, attraction marketing, understanding attraction marketing, what is a personal brand, 3 simple steps to build a brand, storytelling marketing, things like this. You're going to learn all the basics, how to promote this business the right way. Okay, that's your certification training. And then you take a little quiz, and then you become a certified reseller of these programs. Okay. And then your bonuses are here, all your bonuses, right? Your digital product ideas, everything is here. There's your bonuses. And then once you purchase a program, you just got to go into your program, whichever one, the most expensive program, just start there. You don't have to go through every program individually. And then once you're inside of the program, you just go through, you follow the steps. It's like a recipe. We show you how to make 6 or 7 figures online inside of this program. So you just go through the steps, right? Like click here to get started. Okay. The product. So what's the product? It's this information. It's the education. It's the training. That's the product. Okay. So you got to set up your website setup. Okay. Website setup. So you just go here, you set up your website. Like you got to set up these pages. Okay. So this shows you how to set up these pages, right? Like for example, you got to go to GoDaddy. You got to get a domain. Like my domain is 7-Figure Monk. You get an email address. My email address is support@7-Figure Monk, because you need that for if you want to do email marketing. You need a business email. Okay. Then you got to set up your payment gateways, like your Square, your Stripe, your PayPal. That's how you receive your payments. And then you just got to connect your system to your domain. And we show you how to do it in the videos. You just watch the videos. Mostly you're just copying and pasting information. And then when you're finished, your system is going to look something like this. Okay. And then you just test it. Make sure you just put your email in, make sure you're getting emails. You just test the system, make sure it's working, make sure everything's connected right. And then you're ready to go. Then your business is launched. Okay. And then after that, after you set up your system, there's a launch to profit training. This is a launch kit for your online business. This shows you how to get your first sale in 7 days. Okay. And then after that, you just go through the rest of the training on your time, like marketing, social media, discovery method, how to find and attract customers. You just go through the training around your schedule. Okay. So that's the product. That's where the program is. And then inside of our community, this is where we have, this is where you get all the training, the support, the mentoring. It's all inside of our community, right? So once you're here, you just go here, you introduce yourself. Okay. Introduce yourself. If you have questions, you type it in. If you want to share your wins, you type it in. We're having a training today, a millionaire mentoring training every Monday. So that's happening. Let me just show you proof that people are making money. For example, let me show you proof. So let me show you proof that people are making money reselling these programs, right? Because we have a win section. So look at $900 sale immediately after our live. They made $900 after their live. Okay, boom. So yeah, that's one sale. Look at Daryl. He made 2K over the weekend. Okay, 2K over the weekend. Daryl, let me give a like to that. Oops. So he made $2,000 over the weekend, my friend. She upgraded, and then she made a $900 sale. Okay. 1,000 in 1 week for Yolanda, 1,000 in 1 week. There you go. So that's proof. That's just one page. There's 30 posts per page, and we have 30,000 pages of wins. Okay. So we have so many wins. I could read wins all day, but there's your proof, instant proof. These are real-time wins. Okay. If you go inside of our classroom, getting started, you just go through here. This is going to break down how the community works and everything. Okay. And then, yeah, we have all these bonus trainings inside of our classroom, like the 90-day runs. We show you how to make 30K in 90 days. We have, 30-day momentum map to get your business into momentum. We have social media training, content training. You can watch the mentoring replays. If you're busy, you can't watch the replay live. Well, you can do the mentoring replay. You can watch that. 6 figures in 6 months. The calendar, this shows you when we have our next live events. Like we have a legacy builder call, which is millionaire mentoring that we have every Monday. And these are the live events, the live training, the live coaching sessions. This is in the calendar. Okay. And that's that. And yeah, that's it. So like I said, all you got to do with this business, all you got to do here is just get started, set up your business. Then you're just following a 2-hour workday, basically posting content on social media, going live, or posting free ads. So I'll just show you how some examples of how I create content, on my YouTube channel. You can use any social media platform. I use TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, but mostly my favorite channel is YouTube. I use TikTok for lives. TikTok is good for growing your following fast, and YouTube is good. It's the best for the long game. Okay, it's the best channel in my opinion. I think YouTube's the best in general, but you can use whatever platform you want to use. So I do long form videos, just like this video I'm creating right now. It's a long form video. Okay, so I do long form videos, then I do short videos. I like to keep my short videos a minute or less. Okay, just talking videos, or you can do faceless. You can do B-roll videos. This is a B-roll video where I'm just walking around. I'm just doing something. That's the B-roll, and then I put text overlay. I just put words on the screen. And then we teach you how to use ChatGPT so you can never run out of ideas. Okay, that's a B-roll video right there, right? And yeah, and then also on YouTube, you can also do these written posts. So I do written posts where I just try to offer value, and then this is just a value post. I use AI to create these images for me. Okay, AI is creating these images for me, right? And then I just do words, value post, guys. Okay, and then here's these little fun cartoons that I create using AI of me, and just promoting the business in a fun way. Here's a little ad, about the business, and I use AI to do this as well. So you can do faceless, you can do faceless, or you can talking videos, whatever you want to do. You gotta be coachable. You gotta be consistent. Okay, be coachable, be consistent, and be confident. You become confident when it comes to building a business by building you become confident by taking action. Okay, so take action. That's how your confidence will grow. Your confidence grows by taking action. So just take more action in your life and you'll be more confident, right? So if you want to get started with this business, go here, 7figuremonk.com. There's a link in the description. Go there, check out the details, see if you like it. If you like it, just get started. If you don't, you can unsubscribe to my emails. If you have questions, reply to my emails. Okay, make sure you like this video, share this video with someone who needs it. If you know someone who's dealing with a lot of financial stress and they're looking for ways to make money online, share this video with them. And make sure you subscribe to the channel, because I'll keep posting content and just offering a lot of value about this business, marketing tips in general, mindset tips, stuff like that. Okay, so thank you for watching and have a great day, and God bless.